birthday, birthday. Ooh. It's your birthday. Holla if it's your birthday. Ooh. It's my birthday too. Happy, 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 happy.
Ayan, rock and roll. Ayan, happy birthday sa isang kasamahan natin dyan sa YouTube. Ayan, walang iba kundi si Parikoy Katol Official. Ayan, Katol Official. Happy birthday, Idol Katol, Parikoy Katol. Ayan, sana'y masaya ka sa iyong birthday. At good health. Ayan, always. And thank you for the support palagi. And huwag magsawa, laban lang. Ano man yung mga pagsubok, ano man yung mga hindi mo pa nakamit na gusto mong makamit, ayan, laban lang. Makukuha mo rin yan. Basta wag ka lang susuko, ayan. Enjoy lang sa YouTube at maraming salamat sa laging support mo sa amin, sa team at ayan. Good luck and God bless. Happy birthday uli, ayan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Katol Official Potpot. Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. And cake to slice, candle to blow, and more friends in YT. More power to you, Potpot.
Yan, magandang araw sa ating lahat at tayo may papatiin lang isang kaibigan natin sa YT kasama sa GC. May kaarawan niya ngayon. Idol Katol Official, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Maraming salamat sa big support mo sa ating GC at lalo na sa kay Panic Idol and G Maria Official. Yan ang aking channel. Maraming salamat at nandyan ka lagi at nagsusuporta sa Team Forever Young. Maraming salamat Idol Katol and God bless. More birthdays to come and good health every day. And maraming salamat and bye bye guys and God bless everyone.
Taga Davao, birthday mo pala ngayon. Happy birthday Taga Davao. More birthdays to come and good health and God bless you always. Taga Davao, Idol Katol.
Hello guys, hello everyone. I'm here in front of you to greet one of my friend in YT World, my FY family. So, Kuya Bongs, Kuya Katol Official, it's your birthday, so happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo and God bless you always, good health and be happy and enjoy your life, enjoy YT. So that's all. Happy birthday Kuya Bongs. Babush.
Alright, Chamba. Mega love shout out po sa ating lahat, sa lahat ng team. Ayan, napakaswerte na naman at nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon para batiin ang ating kaibigan sa YT, kasama sa hanap buhay sa YT. Walang iba kundi si Katol Official. Ayan. Idol Katol, happy birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More blessings to come and God bless. Siyempre, Chamba na naman. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang suporta ninyo sa amin YouTube channel. Ayan.
Hello, Idol Katol. Happy birthday to you. I'm wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. And happy birthday again. And God bless you all. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Bye.
Good morning. Nabalitan ko birthday mo. Ilan na ko na ba? Sabi mo sa akin ng totoo. So, this is your day. happy birthday. Wala na ako ibang masasabi sa iyo, kundi magpakaligaya ka. Life is short. Okay? So, more candles to blow, more happiness in life, and more whitey. Whitey pa more. Bye-bye. See you.
Hello. Ayan, nagmatiin tayo isang kaibigan sa YT. So, nag-celebrate na kanyang kaarawan ko ng iba kundi sa Idol Katol. Ayan, happy birthday. Thank you sa support sa team. Andyan lagi. Ayan, enjoy lang. Good luck sa inyong channel and more kabinasong coming up. At good health always. Ayan, enjoy and happy birthday ulit.